there's a concept of DevOps and obviously MLOps. What are there any similarities or differences between those two?
MLOps is basically DevOps meeting machine learning. You have all the nice parts of the DevOps pipeline: CI/CD, deployment, dependable releases, monitoring, and basically what DevOps has done for developers, where they develop the software and then give it to the IT team, the DevOps team to eventually deploy, monitor in production, load testing, and all of that. MLOps is that plus some machine learning components to it. And most of the differences between MLOps and DevOps, it contains of 5 different parts, roughly. Number one, team skills. So in MLOps, your team is structured differently than in DevOps. Now you have data scientists in the mix. And these are folks that don't have necessarily software engineering knowledge, but they're very machine learning focused and algorithm focused. So the team structure is a bit different in MLOps. Another is experimental development. So in traditional software development, it's roughly linear in some sense, but in ML pipelines, it's kind of circular. There's a lot of iterating, there's a lot of trial and error in getting the best model for your problem. So the pipeline is a bit circular. There's additional testing needed. In addition to your normal integration and unit testing, you want to do some data testing and model testing. Then you also have deployment. So you want to be able to deploy really fast, but you also want to be able to rerun the deployment based on signals that you see in production. When you're monitoring your model in production, there might be signals where you want to retrain your model because your model is moving away from what it's supposed to be doing. So there's like this feedback loop in deployment that also needs to be done in MLOps. And then you also have monitoring. So you're monitoring for extra metrics now, in addition to the normal software health and traffic and memory and all that. You have extra metrics to monitor for machine learning. That could be prediction quality and model performance and things like that.